Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Odunla, and today I'll be showing you how to create a WordPress website using your local host. Work with me. On your web browser, you type in this. Don't click on this link. The next link here, the next information rather, SourceForge, WAMP server download. You click on it. And once it opens, you click on download to download the WAMP server. After you've successfully downloaded the WAMP server, the next step is to run it as an administrator because it will come as an exe file, which is an execution file. You have to run it as an administrator on your PC in order to be able to make use of it. And for that, I'm going to make a separate video. So once this is done, the next step is for you to run your WAMP server as an administrator. So once this is done, the next step is for you to go back to your web browser and type in localhost /. When it opens, you go directly to phpMyAdmin 5.2.0 and you click on it. The next step is to create a database. So we're going to click on new, and for this, we're going to type in tutorial, or you can type in anything. But for this case, we'll be using tutorial, and then click on create. As simple as that, your database has been created. The next step is to visit your web browser, and you're going to type in WordPress.org. And when you get there, you're going to download. Why do we need what? Why are we downloading WordPress? Because WordPress is the script that we're going to use to create our website. For the next step, you copy the WordPress folder and over to local disk. You look for WAMP64. When you open it, and you look for a folder called www, open that folder and paste the WordPress you just copied into the www folder. This you get this whole information, or rather this whole folders, when you already successfully installed one server on your PC. So this will automatically be installed onto your PC as well. So once that is done, you would have to rename your WordPress. That's the WordPress you just copied. You have to rename it to tutorial, or rather whatever name that you have already given to your database. So on your browser, you're going to type in localhost slash the name of your database. In this case, it's going to be tutorial, and you allow it to load. Once it's loaded, you're going to see this, and you quickly click on continue. And this option will appear. And once it does, there are information there. You enter the name of your database, which is tutorial, and username for your database, which is root, and click on submit. Once you've confirmed that this is correct, you click on submit. Now you can run your installation. So for the concluding step of installing WordPress using the WAMP server, you see this window and you enter the necessary information, which are the site title. For this case, in this case, rather, we'll be naming it WordPress tutorial. I will give the username tutorial, just generic stuff, because for the purpose of this tutorial that's going on currently, or rather that we are having at the moment, um, that you do, and create your own password. Depends on you. You want to use something strong. It's always recommended to use something strong. And once you're done, you enter the generic email, which is admin at the name of your database.com. Since we are not live, we are just going to use admin at tutorial.com. And once this is done, you'd ignore the uh, box that asks you to check it for in order to discourage search engines. So once you do that, you submit and you successfully installed WordPress on your local host. Okay, so it says success, and we can now log in into our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so you're going to enter your username or the email you created, which was admin at tutorial.com. So whichever way, you just enter the username we created, which is tutorial, and then the password. And once that is done, you log in, and voila, this is your WordPress dashboard. So in a nutshell, this is how to install WordPress successfully on your PC using a local host. And that'll be all for today, guys. Thanks for watching my tutorial. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do have a wonderful day.